This video is a year-end recap and a year begin to start afresh. So if you'd like to see what happened in the old year and what's going to happen in the new year, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Happy New Year. So I'm filming this video partially on New Year's Eve. It's the Ohio State football game. We're going to have some appetizers. It's New Year's Eve.
We had plenty of football and food, appetizers, chicken wings, hanky-pankies, dips, pizza, cheese, all kinds of food. Those are little hot dogs and crescent rolls, chicken wings. My daughter made some homemade cinnamon rolls, which were yummy, and then some Krispy Kreme donuts.
And then tomorrow we're having a traditional pork roast dinner with my family, and so we're going to do that tomorrow.
We started the day off early with some sandwiches and some pasta salad right before football, and then we had some drinks.
Happy New Year!
The second half of the day we had apple pie, some apple cake, and a full spread of New Year's Day food, pork roast and mashed potatoes, dumplings, green beans, corn, and it was good.
This is our traditional New Year's dinner. Dumplings, mashed potatoes, pork roast, green beans, sauerkraut. Happy New Year 2023. So those are 2 days that are going to probably not be tracked. I just wanted to spend a little bit of time to reflect on the old year. I did a vision board for 2022.
Here is my 2022 vision board. There was my word, focus. I did not do that. I did have a good board. No excuses. I had a lot of excuses. I did not commit. I did not make it happen. I did never give up. But that is my 2022 vision board. It had the right idea. It just did not make me be successful. Be healthy, get fit, be well. That is my theme. We got to do it in 2023.
I had high hopes for it, but it didn't work out too well. I would say I had a bad year on WW, not sticking with it, not tracking all the time, too many things going on. So last year, my word of the year was focus, and clearly I did not do that. So this year, my word is going to be consistency. I want to be consistent in my effort to lose weight by drinking my water, getting in my steps, and eating within my points every day, not just a couple days a week, because that doesn't get you anywhere. So that's kind of my goals. I didn't do a traditional vision board. I'm going to just do something and post it, I think, as a screensaver on my phone, so it will keep me reminded, because I am on the phone a lot. And I think I'm going to use that as a screensaver this year, and I will show it here.
So in 2023, I'm going for consistency in planning, walking, hydrating, and tracking. I want to make sure I have healthy habits, no excuses, and don't quit. I can and I will.
It's Monday. Monday is January 2nd. It is the perfect day to restart for the year, for the week, for the day after the holiday season. And that is what I am planning on doing. One of my goals this year is to put out 3 videos a week. I want to put a grocery haul for the week with a meal plan, so I know what I'm going to cook. I'm going to do a what I eat in the day at least once a week. And then I think the other day will be maybe some tips or some things that may help you and me get through our weeks and do a better job of losing weight and being consistent. A lot of people have the problems of losing weight, not being able to maintain it, and they gain it back, and then they're trying to lose again, and it becomes a cycle that we're going to have to sometimes have a lot of trouble getting out of, but hopefully we can do it this year in 2023. Losing weight is really a struggle. It's not a completely successful journey where you're going straight down for most people. I know not for me. I lost a lot of weight. I gained some of it back. I try to lose it back. Then I gain some more. Then I try to lose it back. So it's up and down and up and down and up and down. But I am not quitting. I keep on trying. So that is the most important part. And I'm going to try to be consistent this year. I am going to Florida next week, so that is going to be a challenge. I'm working at the Hard Rock again, starting another year of dealing for the poker tournaments. But this year, I'm going to be more conscientious of what I'm eating, keeping my points, drinking my water. Even if it's tougher, I'm going to make sure I do it. So Happy New Year, everybody. I hope this is the year we all find success on our weight loss journey. And if you have any comments or hopes or goals for the new year, please comment below. And I would love to read them. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.